I'm a member of Hars and proud to be so. It's great to be able to support the organisation. As I say, it's probably the biggest historic aircraft organisation in Australasia, so it's something really we should be all proud of. Bob, what he's achieved is just remarkable, he and his teams, and I admire what he does, and it's an honour to be here, really.
Yeah. Well, it's an absolute privilege. I've been hanging out for a while to meet you and interview you. But yeah, thank you very much for your time.
No worries, mate. Pleasure.
Cheers.
So, you know, storage management is just an incredible problem. So subsequently, as a result, we have a 6-hour away storage facility, which is huge. You can swim in it. And then we maintain minor storage facilities around the traps to maintain current projects. Does a lot for travel, you know, spending money, but storage is as much about restoration as anything else. Knowing you were coming, I would have dressed in black.
No, I didn't shave to make sure I was inconspicuous.
Yeah, it's great that we've got people like yourself as well as to make it.
It's something really we should be all proud of.
Cut!